Here we have multiple fields which you can put. You have age, you have push time, you have type, distance, queue, age in queue, total age, meets pull requirement. You can put in the expression which I showed you is a type. Is what this age and time push. You can have a new expression as per the requirement. You can have the label one which we saw for the type one, push argument, and the groups you can put in, okay, based on requirement. So this is the basic list, applications and users. This is for the back queue strategy. We're not going to look into this as of. Okay, let me know in the comment section if you want videos on this in detail and understanding these all properties in detail. Then we have the another video which will be talking about in detail about back orders and the general properties of the list. Okay. So now going forward, we can view back orders here. Okay, just like we viewed entries here. Now let us understand how to pull from the list. Okay, we understood push from the list, we understood the different types of list, we understood how the list has to be created, what are the labels can be imported, what can be the fields put it into, and now let us understand how to pull the item into the system. I'm just resetting this. Now when I go to the processor, we have a pull strategy here in the input. If you see, if you uncheck this, it will directly go from the ports which I have already been created. It has to go right there. Okay, if not, okay, because now these are going to the list, so it will not go. When you remove this and make this first available, it will directly go to the processor. Now what I'm going to do in input, I'm going to click on pull. Let us understand different pull strategies which can be used for the list now. Okay, I'm resetting this. We'll go into the use list, pull from item list. Okay, when you send to the port, there you will have push to item list. When you come into the input pull strategy, you will have pull from item list. Okay, now here I'm going to put in the queries. You need to put in the queries always. Remember this when you're pulling something from the list. Okay, now what are you going to do? Here you can put in the partition ID, different things, remove from a list on success, add to the back orders and fail, something multiple things are there. But the basic thing we need to work on is list, and you need to specify the query. Let us go with the where filter as of. Okay, where I want to tell that all item type which is equal to 1, that is red color queue, parts only needs to be pulled onto the processor. That is what we are going to say. So I'm just going to run this. So what you're going to see is all other parts are going to get builded up now because my processor 1 is pulling my type 1 items. Okay, as simple as that. So this is one of the strategy you can put into while you are pulling from the item. Here you have different pull requirements also, that specific label, specific rank, different more. So basically you can customize more. But let us understand different where queries which can be applied. So first we saw that when the item is equal to 1, you can have that equal to 2, 3, okay, different types of stuff. Now let us go with age. Now what you're going to do is, we are going to say that all types of items which are lesser than 3 and age is less than, what I can say, not less than, but which are very much older than say 100. Okay, who have already been waiting for 100 minutes. That is what you need to pull into. So I'll just run this and I'll just show you the list. Now and then it has to be done here. Okay. So I am now what going to do is putting out the age strategy. Okay. Now my age has to be greater than 100. Reset and run. So ideally it should pull whichever parts are going to be the older one. Okay, but it is not tracking on that. It's not pulling that from the production list. I just reset this and run this. Yeah, it's almost 600, but it's not pulling the age of items which are greater than 100. So ideally it has to be pulling that, but let us now look into that what is the reason it's not getting pulled out. Our pushed production items are pushed okay, everything is seeming good. Let me go to the user again, pull from the list again, and query I'm going to put in age 100. Let us check whether less than 10 it is pulling. Okay, all parts which are less than 10 it has to pull that. I'm just running this again because we have made. Okay, now I guess that's working. as of. But the parts which are more than 10 will not be pulled now. Ideally, it should be that way. Okay. Now, if you see, red color part it is taking, that is 1. These are all less than 10. Third. So let us look into this now. So we have put it in the age which is less than 10. Nothing is getting pulled because we have no item which are lesser than 10. The moment we get something into the play, it has to pull in. Now I'll just go here and we'll just view the entries, view the back orders. No back orders also. Okay. This is something strange. Let me know in the comment section what do you feel is the reason for that thing not pulling into. Let us see how many people are looking at videos carefully and attentively. This is not working. Okay. Ideally, it should pull in the parts which are lesser than 10. That is where it is not working when I put this greater than 10. Okay. If you just look into, it's not taking. As simple as that. Okay. So now let us get another queue size thing where my queue size is lesser than. So whenever my queue or buffer goes greater than 10, you should start pulling that. That is what we are just telling them now. Okay. So queue size you see here. Yeah. So we took or checked the where capability for age. We are using this now where my queue size is greater than 10. All my queue sizes which are greater than 10 are supposed to be pulled in, and that is what it is working. Okay. So this is how you need to apply the where strategies to, that is where queries or queries to your pull from list thing. Okay. So it is working where my queue size is greater than 10, it is putting the stuffs and the efforts onto. So let me know what can be the best pull from list strategy which will ensure that my queues are not getting populated. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to order by age. And age, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put descending. Okay. So what is going to happen is all the oldest parts are going to get pulled up. Okay. Whichever are going to have a larger waiting time, all those going to be pulled in. If you see, thirds, 2 3s are going to get pulled. Then I'm going to get 1, that is red color. Then I'm going to get blue. Then I'm going to get 4 red. So it's working this way. So this is the another type of a query which you can pull in other than where, because order by can also be used. What I've done is I'm ordering the parts based on the age. Okay, based on the edge of the items which are going to be in the descending order. That is, the higher weighting items are supposed to be pulled first. Similarly, you can apply it here in the queue size. You can have it descending, you can have ascending. Similarly, you can have for the type. Okay, so this is all about pull from list. Okay, let me know in the comment section if you have any queries related to the tutorial we have been looking into in this video, that is about the item list, pull from list, and multiple stuffs. Okay, we would be happy to support you. Also, let us know if you want in detail videos related to back orders and the general properties of the list, or we will be bringing you the next video on, that is, fixed resource list. We'll understand about the task executor list. Okay, that is what we are going to bring into. Let us know how this is for you. So if you liked this video, guys, do not forget to hit like to our videos, share it with your friends, colleagues, teachers. We would be really happy if you could support us that way. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel, LeanSimCorp. And do not forget to visit our website, LeanSimCorp.com. Thanks for watching this video. Let us meet in another grand interesting video. Till then, you're going to keep watching LeanSimCorp and keep simulating. Thank you. So welcome to our website behaviorchannel.com, and you can see that we have a lot of educational content just for you. So the specialized content we have is discrete event simulation support, then we provide you industrial engineering training, then we have lectures for you, and then we have blogs which are literally going to groom your skill sets and your knowledge. Then we have a very important aspect of our life, that is health awareness related stuffs on your behavior channel. Okay, so here is our booking online appointment tab. So in the home you will get the tab where you can book online appointments for if you want the Flexsim simulation training, you can book it here. If you want the support related to simulation projects, that might be industrial simulation projects, then you can book and take an appointment from here. We will be discussing on that into this. Then if you want a support related to creation of 3ds model files which you can import in your simulation for better visualization, we have that in here. You can book the appointments from here. If there are any simulation project support for engineering students for their educational purpose, for their educational projects, if they need support on, then we are there to support you. You can book your appointment from here and we can have a thorough detailed discussions, and then we can take ahead the plan of how it has to be done. Then if you want the customized simulation model for your industry simulation projects, for your engineering projects, we can provide you customized simulation modules. So to know this in detail, book appointments now. There are very limited slots available, and it's the fastest thing you need to do is book online appointments. Then if you could look at, we are India's first and only simulation channel. We have our YouTube channel available. We have a dedicated playlist for simulation tutorials, modeling tutorials. We have a playlist for industrial engineering related stuffs. You can visit our YouTube channel from this, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you want to know about us, it is available here. Here we have our scheduled events. These are the upcoming events across our behavior channel. So it might be our YouTube channels, it might be our websites, it might be blogs. So you will get a detailed info at the scheduled events, and you can check our services here for detailed and more informative thing. So I've taken you through our home page. So we have a dedicated simulation page here. You can explore here. If you want any support in, you can reach out to us from this, or you can book the appointments directly, because if you're going to reach out to us from here, we are guiding you to book the appointments indirectly. So you can directly reach out to us by booking an online appointments. Then we have the training classes here. If you want to opt for a training classes based on subscription, we also have option for that. You can visit and purchase that. Then we have the modules, in specific modules which you can buy, and those modules you can use in your industrial projects or your engineering projects. Then we have an engineering tab where we bring in the content related to industrial engineering, synchronization of different technologies, and the sync between simulation and industrial engineering. So there's a lot to explore in this industrial engineering domain. Then we have also brought you personality development tab, where we bring the content which can groom your personality, help you develop, upgrade your skill sets in a journey of job and career upgradements. So we bring a lot of exciting topics onto this. These videos will be released on our website first, and after 2 weeks of time, these videos will be released on a YouTube channel. So it's better you visit our website daily to get recent updates. Then we have personal finance tab, where we support you for managing your finances, so that you're building a wealth with a strong financial background. So the foundation needs to be strong for financials. So this is a tab where you can explore our content, where we share our views, we share in tips which can help you manage your finances. These all things you will be getting in engineering. We have the best to the class blogs available, ranging from simulation technology, then different types of technologies, industrial engineering, finance, personality development. All these stuffs you will be getting in a form of blogs in here. So we upload blogs daily. Visit our website behaviorchannel.com to get maximum out of it. And then we have health awareness tab, where you could look into. We are going to have a lot of exciting stuffs related to health. We are still working on this, guys. We need your support. Give us a like, share, and subscribe. because we are going to bring a lot of exciting stuffs which you will not get anywhere available to top-notch quality. So here you see we are bringing in health-related blogs which are dedicated so that you live a healthy, stronger, and happy life. We have organ-related tips here, ankylosing spondylitis support we provide in, and you can contact us in here. So this is an overall high-level journey for our behaviorchannel.com for services like simulation, engineering, personal finance, personality development, blogs, health awareness, and many more. It's like having multiple things under one umbrella. So what are you waiting for? Do not forget to visit our behaviorchannel.com website daily so you groom yourselves, upgrade yourselves, and stay updated. So thanks for this, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website behaviorchannel.com. So see you in the next video.